Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be showing you how to contact Honor of Kings customer service. To contact Honor of Kings customer service, first of all, launch the Honor of Kings app on your device. Once you're in the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. This will then open up the profile section where you'll need to tap on the settings drop down at the top right. Now click on Help. Now click on the Contact Us button at the bottom left. And then from the form displayed on the screen, tap on the drop down to select the issue category. Browse common topics and select one of them that matches your issue or the region that you are trying to contact the customer support. After you are done, you can then go ahead and select further options available and then write a short message explaining your issue in the text box. You may also go ahead and mention your player ID, your server or your region, and a clear description of the problem. And finally, tap on Submit at the bottom right. And that's how you contact Honor of Kings customer service quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.